to this Holocaust Memorial Day webinar. We're really excited to be joined by Hannah from the Holocaust Memorial Day Trust, who's going to talk a little bit about the importance of teaching the Holocaust at primary and her resources. And then I will show you some of the resources that we have worked on together. So I'll hand over to Hannah.
Hi all, so I'm Hannah. I'm the Outreach Officer for Education and Youth at Holocaust Memorial Day Trust. We're the organisation which promotes and supports Holocaust Memorial Day, the International Day on the 27th of January to remember the 6 million Jews murdered during the Holocaust alongside the millions of other people murdered under Nazi persecution of other groups and more recent genocides in Cambodia, Rwanda, Bosnia and Darfur. At a time when millions of people across the world face ongoing persecution for who they are, where we're seeing racism, bigotry, and hatred towards Jewish, Muslims, and other communities in the UK rise, HMD is a chance to bring communities together in remembrance and in commitment to learn lessons of the past and build a better future. This is important in all age groups, but it's particularly important at a primary level because this is where we can start those conversations, learning about persecution, about ways that we can make the world better and try and end identity-based persecution in the UK and around the world. So for Holocaust Memorial Day in 2024, we've got lots of fantastic resources available on our website to support schools marking the day and facilitating meaningful conversations about identity-based persecution and what that means. And that includes assemblies, lesson plans, and a new resource which we partnered with the Royal Horticultural Society to make a green space in primary schools and, of course, for other age groups as well. If you'd like more information about these, please do check out our website or contact me. We can share my email address round at the end of the session, so I'm always happy to answer questions. Of course, what we're really excited about is our work that we've done with Purple Mash. We're aware of their fantastic representation and their links to schools all over the country, and we know that they produce high quality, usable resources and are very popular in primary schools all over. Collaborating together allows us to support each other in facilitating high quality learning and creating those meaningful opportunities for conversations in a way that benefits all of us. I'm really proud, and we are very proud of the resources that we've created together. I can't wait for you to see them and to be shared all across the country. I'm going to hand back to Isabel to go through the resources with us.
Thank you so much, Hannah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share my screen because it's probably easiest to show you on Purple Mash. So if you are a Purple Mash school, this is what you'll see when you log into Purple Mash, and if you type teach Holocaust Memorial Day Trust, there is a new category with the Holocaust Memorial Day Trust, and in there you have all of the resources. So together we've written a teachers pack, and again this area, the top area, is only available for teachers. We also have there a set of teachers notes, the presentation, and also the video. So if you click into the presentation, it allows you to open the presentation, which is available from the Holocaust Memorial Day website, and then also the teaching notes, which is just opening. So so there you've got the presentation, which you can do you can teach in the classroom. And so then the resources that we have created together, so we've created 6 resources together. So the first is a quiz which you can give your pupils after doing the assembly, just to make sure that children are learning and to see how much they've picked up. And then from that you can then have continued discussion about what they have and what they haven't learned. Then the next activity is a newspaper article encouraging pupils to to research somebody. So it could be somebody famous or somebody in their family who's overcome discrimination, and then write a newspaper article. And so here you can see so here you can see the activity, and then you've got So this is the view that you have from the child's view, and then you have your think about with all your things that need to be thought about. You've got your pictures, and then sections to write and bring in images. Then you have got a pledge. So we're encouraging children to make their own, to think of 3 things that they can do to stop discrimination in their school. Also, so I'm thinking if that someone has brought in a rule that people don't like because of the colour of their hair or colour of their eyes. So we're encouraging pupils to write a letter using persuasive language to try and get those rules changed. We then want to we want to encourage pupils to think about what do freedom and rights mean to individuals. So we have created this brainstorming document. And here we have started off thinking about some options which can be brought up, and then children can complete this on their own, and it can be done individually or as a class. And then finally, it's using the words from the thought shower, and then we're encouraging children to make their own poem about freedom. And while they're doing the poem about freedom, you then have a video of a poem that was written by a young person for the Holocaust Memorial Day Trust up here, which you can show as an example. And what you have underneath is the resources that have been created by Too Simple, and then the ones above here have all been created in partnership with the Holocaust Memorial Day Trust. So we're going to send round this video and a link to the resources to everybody who has come. And so if there aren't any questions, I'm going to stop recording.